Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. SN7486 or SN5486. Starting number 74, that is commercial number. It works from 0 degree centigrade to 70 degree centigrade. Starting number 54, that is military specification and industrial. That works from -55 up to 125 degree centigrade. After that, 86. Either it is 86, S86, LS86, ALS86, HC86, HCT86 or F86, that are from same family. Number difference is based on the specification. Output current, switching frequency, propagation delay, working principle will remain same. It is 14-pin IC. TTL power supply at pin number 14, 5 volts. Minimum 4.75, maximum 5.25 volts. Pin number 7 is ground. Supply pins are common for all gates. In this IC there are 4 gates. First gate pin number 1, 2 inputs, pin number 3 output. Second gate pin number 4, 5 input, pin number 6 output. Third gate pin number 10, 9 input, pin number 8 output. Fourth gate pin number 13, 12 input, 11 output. All gates are independent from each other. What is the function of this gate? This gate is special designed. It is called XOR, exclusive OR gate. To understand its function, when both inputs are same, either logic level 0 or logic high, the output will low. Different logic levels at input, output will high. Pin 1 is low, pin 2 is high, input number 1 low, input 2 high, output high. 1 high, 2 low, output high. If both inputs are high, output is low. If both inputs are low, output low. Same inputs, low output. Different inputs, high output. This is exclusive OR gate. Let's check the second gate. 4, 5 input, pin number 6 output. Same inputs, low output. Same inputs, low output. Different inputs, high output. Different inputs, high output. Third gate. Different input, high output. Different, high. Same inputs, logic level high, output low. Input is 5 volt. At both inputs, output is low. Both inputs low, output is low. Last gate, the fourth gate. This is output, this is input. I connected 330 ohm LED to the anode, cathode is grounded. Same inputs, low output. Same input, low output. Logic high. Different logic at input, output high. Different logic, output high. It is exclusive OR gate. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.